Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to edit your listings. In order to do so, you must go to search. If you want to search for a particular item, you must enter the eBay item ID. Once you typed in the eBay item ID, you will access your listing. If you want to search for a particular source, you have to select the source and then click on search. You can also search for all of the items at the same time. You just have to click on any and click on search. So here I can see the 3 listings that I have listed in my account. So if you want to edit one of them, you must click on the magnifying glass, and here you will be able to change the monitor stock, the monitor price decrease. You can edit the source URL, whatever you want. If you want to edit any other setting, you have to click on Edit More Fields. And here you will be able to choose the option that you want. So you can change your markup, your title, your price, whatever you want here. Once you have selected, for example, set profit to, you have to insert the value and then click on Edit Listing. After choosing whatever you want to edit, you have to finish by clicking on Edit Listings. If you want to edit more than one item at the same time, you have to select all of the items, click on Edit, Edit Selected, and then choose whatever option you want to apply to these listings and click on Edit Listings. For terminating the listings, you have to do exactly the same. You have to select all of the items, click on Edit More Fields, and then Terminate Listings. Or if you want to terminate only one of them, you can directly click on the magnifying glass and then click on Terminate Item. So that's it. Once again, thank you very much for watching us. Don't forget to stay tuned by following us on social media and watching our YouTube channel. Have a nice day.